It's time to clean, oil, and adjust the famous Hello Kitty Janome. The owner let me know that it was in working order, so this isn't a repair exactly, and sure enough, when I tested it, it tested out fine, but it is very stiff, and the stitches aren't quite as smooth and even as I would like. That means it's time for oil and grease, so the first step is to remove the screw caps. I use a dental pick, a dental set for this. I find these tools to be useful in many aspects of cleaning a sewing machine, and of course I can tell you where to get those. This is just regular machine oil. It's clear, putting it on the joints, the moving piston areas. But since I had it open, I decided to go ahead and replace this with a new LED light bulb. It'll be brighter and it won't get so hot when she's sewing. I will show you where to find everything I use in this video on Amazon down in the comments. So go ahead and click one of those links if you want to support my channel. Even if you end up buying something else, it still helps. Of course, I'm going to clean out the bobbin area and do a drop of oil right in the middle of that bobbin casing, trying to get that stiffness out still. I wish I had taken a picture of the little pile of dust I got out of this machine, but I forgot. Maybe next time. I sensed that there was still stiffness, so I'm trying grease. It's just the tri-grease on the gear shaft. And then I absolutely humiliated myself trying to break into this machine, you guys. Normally that back panel comes off pretty easily, but on this machine, it's one piece. It curls around, you can see, from the side to the back. I could not break into it, and then it occurred to me I could just open the top. Now I've got all the access I need to grease those gears that I think are giving me the stick and the problem. I'm using the Tri-Flow grease and making sure that it spreads around. As it spreads around, some of the fluff and the bad grease is going to rise to the top, so I normally try to swab it off if I can, get things working nice and clean. My ultimate goal is to have a machine that runs smoothly and doesn't get stuck at one point in the needle position, which is what this one was doing. That is about when I didn't realize my camera shut off, so no shots of me cleaning and testing it, but it moves smooth and free, and the stitches are a much better tension now. Was able to give it back to its happy owner. Don't forget, if you need any of the tools I use to clean this machine, or really anything at all, click the links in the comments section to my Amazon account. It really helps me keep creating content like this. I normally do sewing tutorials, but I also occasionally do a cleaning video. And of course, I want to know who your favorite Hello Kitty character is. Mine is definitely Tuxedo Sam. See you in the comment section. Bye.